a semblance or partial display of some of these qualities, like nirmama, santosh, and etc., drita nishtoy, they may be seen in humans that are not self-realized or God-realized. But they are comparable to the honesty one sometimes finds in thieves as they divide their loot. 5 guys, they rob a bank and they get 10 crores. And they say, okay, let's divide it evenly. You get 2 crores, you get 2 crores. So they're being honest with each other. Well, they just robbed a bank. Without devotion to Krishna, which one acknowledges God's absolute proprietorship, one lives contrary to reality. The reality is that Krishna owns everything, including me. And the me is actually Krishna. Nirmam means not me. What is me? Me, I am beauty, I am talent, I am intelligence. That's all Krishna. It's all Krishna's Shaktis. You're a black crow. You're a black crow, and you go in the forest, and in a rainy season you pick up a bunch of peacock feathers and you glue them on your tail. And then you land on the ground and open up fan your crow feathers, and all these colorful peacock feathers are glued on there. Then you start dancing, and all the female crows, oh, this is really a cool crow. And then, so what is it? He just is borrowed plumes. Plumes means feathers. You borrowed the feathers. So whatever we have is a gift of God. So when devotion increases, then buddhi increases. Tesham saratayiktanam bhajatam pratipurvakam. When you get intelligence, then nirmama. Nirmama, all these qualities, you can struggle very hard for thousands of lifetimes in the yoga system, or in the Gyan yoga system, or Ashtanga yoga system, and come to the platform of samachitta, peaceful brain, and balanced intelligence. And you can have inner satisfaction, not atmaramata, and you can be nirmama. But within a few months or a few years of serious surrender and bhakti bhajan, all those things come automatically. Nirbandha Krishna Sambandha Yukta Vairagya Uchite. Rupa Goswami says in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu that the byproduct of devotion is Nirbandha Krishna Sambandha. I have no relation or connection with anything in this world, not even this body. I've been given this body to realize Krishna, and everything around me belongs to Him, it's connected to Him. So everything I have in my hand, I should simply offer it back to He who gave it to me. It's not mine. It's not my house, my wife. This wife is in my custody. She belongs to Krishna. He's the Parapati. I am just the Palaka. I am the Palaka. I am protecting, caring for this wife. But she belongs to Krishna. And this is my husband, and my house, and my wife. No, it's not your husband, it's not your wife. This house belongs to Krishna. It's a house of God, Krishna's house. That's why devotees put Krishna in the center. Put a murti there, Krishna. Or pictures, in other words, they establish a spiritual center, and everything orbits around the center. Whether Krishna appears as a murti or pictures or painting or whatever. So this is the idea that nirmama is, this is how to be nirmama. Just be a devotee. Surrender. Until you surrender, don't even think about nirmama. Until you surrender to Guru and start serious bhakti bhajan, you're only living in a world of janasya moho yamaham ameti. Janasya moham ahamameti. You're living in an illusion and think I'm the doer and everything is mine. Ahamameti. One has to become dependent on Krishna.